This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Welcome home to sun-filled and lovingly maintained corner townhouse in desirable Belmont Park.This home has a fantastic floor plan including an oversized first-floor primary bedroom with ensuite bath and massive walk-in closet, a large living room with vaulted ceilings and gas fireplace, an eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar and a spacious powder room and laundry room. Upstairs features 2 bedrooms, one currently set up as a loft, and a shared full bathroom. A 1-car attached garage and a fully fenced backyard complete this home. For more information, review the details below.